What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Clark B, Clark Bishop, Clark's Visions. Go take me. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be talking about this crazy end of the month of March I had. It was a great March Madness, whatever you want to call it. It was a great March, man, and it was a lot of stuff going on. That's why I haven't been uploading this last couple 2 weeks. I'm sorry, but here we go. If you clicked here for the title of the vlog, I'm gonna you can skip to this time right here. The 3 reasons why everyone should be doing Freeway. So I'm gonna start this out by just saying, last Friday, me and my boy Mike, I hit him up while I was at work. I was like, you wanna get some shots, man? Cause it's always good to get shots. It's always good to keep your Instagram growing, keep putting content on there, and we decided to just take shots of each other, shooting shots. Like, come on, that's free marketing for yourself. Make yourself look good, dress a little nice, and that happened. That went nice, and something great came out of that. He told me he had to shoot the next day for some senior pictures, and I was like, dude, why not have me come out and do some video? You guys got this new monitor, I got the Ronin. I just want to test it out and see what I can do. You know, I make commercials for like other people, so like, come on, let's do it. So he let me come out. I got some footage of him. Ended up putting together a nice little piece for him. He loves it, man, and it turned out really well. And like, it was straight running gun. It wasn't nothing planned. I missed so much stuff. Just to set up with a monitor on the Ronin was like so hard, man. I was like, I should have practiced at home before I did it, man. The HDMI cord like was struggling, and it was a big mess, but we got it to work, man. We had some awesome work, and it was just straight running gun. I just told him to speak, and he spoke well, and I just doing what I do. Come on, Clark's Visions. Like, no, let me step back. But after that, man, I had met with my guy Gerald. He works for this sports league for the youth in Detroit, and I ended up meeting with him. I got this new deal coming on the way, and this is gonna show them like doing their thing. So it's gonna have like the kids at the football, basketball, baseball games all throughout the year. So it's gonna end up being like a big montage, and I can't wait till that happens. And so that's gonna be like the next project I'm gonna be working on for like a long extended period of time. So this is new for me, so I gotta like plan out all the shoots and different dates, and probably like scope the place before I go, just to see what kind of gear I can use and what different type of footage I can get. So that's gonna be nice. And then later, I forgot Saturday or Sunday, well Saturday I believe, I got some, yeah, it was Saturday, because I thought it was going to rain, and it ended up raining. And me and my best friend Brianna, I haven't seen her in a long time, we ended up getting some shots down at the Renaissance Center. Great building. If you're not from Detroit, you should go check it out. They got the whole GM experience, brand new. It's so sweet. They got all the cars you can get in. It's like a free auto show. We got some shots, man, and they turned out really well. We also went up to this bridge out in the city I like a lot, right by Motor City. Things turned out really well. Then later that day, me and my boy Will Franks, you saw his old video I did a few months back, we went to go scout some spots for his next up and coming song. We found some really cool spots, man. We went searching that night, so like, it's always good to go search at the time you're gonna be shooting a video, because you don't want to get there and be like, oh shoot, like I didn't know this light didn't work, or shoot, this light is working and it looks kind of funny, the light looks off, it's orangey, not blue, like I was thinking in my mind. So that happened, and that turned out real well. Then again, on Sunday, I ain't tell you I got a hoverboard. On Sunday, me and Will went to go test out the hoverboard, and I got the hoverboard just to use it in a variety of ways. Like the hoverboard, man, like when it comes into the filmmaking, it's like you could do so much with it, and I believe like I'm going to implement it in a lot of my filmmaking. You're going to see it up in the next coming video. So we got some practice. I'm not gonna say I got a C-stand. It's a lot of stuff is coming, man. It's gonna be dope, man. Just to let y'all know, it's some stuff that I haven't seen in other people's videos, so just watch out for it. Okay, I know this wasn't supposed to be included into this vlog, but for all my real, like, true people, man, that follows me and like actually watch the videos all the way through, this one's for you right here. So I just got some mail today. You see the Amazon, you see the logo, the Amazon box. So you know what's up in there, man. Let's see. You know, I got all goodies. I told you I just got a hoverboard and a C-stand, just new stuff like to help to my videos. So you know I couldn't leave another visual experience out. Like, if you know me, you know I like the wide angle stuff, and I like capturing like a lot of scenery. So it was only right, I had to do it. Yes, I had to do it. So this is my first time opening this box. You see, I just opened it with the knife, man. Let's get into it. I love these Sigma lenses, man. I don't know why. Probably because they're cheaper than all the Sony lenses, so that's probably why. Sorry I keep looking up at the monitor, man. Sometimes I like to look at myself a little bit. I don't know what's up with me. It's way longer than a 30mm. But I know it's built the exact same. I looked at all the reviews online, it's built the exact same. Woo! And every time I get these signals, I gotta do this. Yeah. Ooh! That boy's nice. Can't wait to use this. So like, all right, now we gonna go back to the video. We gonna go back to the video. Let's get into it. Okay, now let's get to the part why you all clicked on this video, and that is doing free work. One, it gets you content to grow your page, content for people to find you on Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, whatever you put your work on. People can find you if you do free work, and it's free. Like, I know it may come out of your pocket, gas and time. That person's actually come out of their time to come out and do it for you. Some people like photos, some people like taking photos, and they just can't afford it right now. So like, you doing a big favor, and like, you feeling like a good person. Like, hey man, I see you modeling, like, come take some free pictures. Or you see their IG and it don't look too good, like, I can help you out, take pictures, man. All free, all love. You kind of like, you growing your page and you being a good person at the same time. It's different ways you can spend it. Second is practice. Practice makes perfect. At the same time, like, when I do free work, I just try different stuff that I never tried before because it's free. I get all to say, and they don't know what I'm doing. I'm like, hey, I'm just practicing new stuff. They can't say like, hey, don't be practicing on me. I'm like, dude, it's free. So it's good practice, man, just to do free stuff. Just like the video I did. I never did that before with the monitor, so I just did it for free. Like, so I'm just trying stuff, and like, don't worry about it, man. If I mess up, I mess up. I don't got to use it. I can just scratch all the footage. I can scratch all the photos. Like, it's nothing. It's free. So ain't no harm, no foul. So good practice always to do free stuff. And the third reason I always do stuff for free is because you have all to say so, man. Like, it's your stuff, it's your products, it's your time, it's your gas money, it's your everything, man. Like, you get to direct everything. And some customers, like, you doing a video for them, maybe you doing a project for free, like for a small business, maybe they want some input on it, but at the end of the day, you got to say to whether put it out or not. You have to say to do whatever you want with the film, man. They can't tell you can't use this for nothing else. They can't tell you to do this. Like, it's all your work and it's all your time. It's on your time. It's when they need you. You don't have to stress out about it. It's free work, man. Take those 3 reasons into why you should be doing free work: content, practice, and it's all you, man. All your say, no rules, man. It's all up to you. So guys, I want to thank you for watching this video, and there's going to be more and more videos coming every single week. I know I say this after every vlog, but there are going to be more tutorials. Lust Pack coming out. It should be out by the time. Put the link up here. Lightroom presets are out right now. Y'all keep watching, man. It's going to be more and more stuff coming. It's going to be a big summer, man. Watch out for Clark's Visions and Go Take Media. I love y'all. See y'all later. I'm out. And thanks for all the subscribers, man. I think I'm at like 62 right now. I know it's still small, but like, I appreciate y'all for following me, man, showing me love. I see y'all out there, man. I'm gonna see y'all soon in these streets. Y'all stay up, man. Keep smiling and keep grinding. Peace.